Over the last decades, SKOV has focused on reducing energy used to ventilate houses for animal production. In our development of energy-efficient solutions, we have focused on both regulation principles and fans. In the case of the MultiStep regulation principle, the climate computer controls one of the fans steplessly from 0 to 100%, while the other fans connect in groups as required. For poultry production, MultiStep typically reduces energy consumption by some 50% compared to conventional ventilation solutions. The dynamic MultiStep principle is a result of continued development of the MultiStep principle. Dynamic MultiStep is unique in that the fans connect in steps until 40 to 50% of their output. When all the fans in the house have been connected up to this level, all of them will be regulated in parallel up to 100% when additional ventilation is required. Compared to the most energy-efficient MultiStep solution with LPC fans so far, the new dynamic MultiStep solution reduces energy consumption by a further 40%. For SKOV, energy consumption may never be reduced at the expense of the house climate or animal welfare. Dynamic MultiStep uses several new LPC fans in the exhaust units, combining high performance with high pressure stability when the ventilation level is low. In addition to saving energy, the LPC fans are extremely stable in terms of pressure and therefore less sensitive to the wind than conventional regulated fans. Pressure stability is of great significance to minimum ventilation, where strong wind impacts may have severe consequences for the welfare of the animals. Noise levels have also been reduced considerably and can typically be reduced by more than 50% using dynamic MultiStep with LPC fans. Dynamic MultiStep combined with LPC fans will typically reduce the number of exhaust units needed to meet the same ventilation requirement. The additional investments in the new regulation principle with new fans can therefore be repaid in 1 to 2 years thanks to fewer exhaust units and the additional power savings. With dynamic MultiStep, SKOV has developed a regulation principle that allows a fast repayment of the investment and reduces energy consumption for many years. Correct minimum ventilation and low noise levels improve animal welfare.